Well, crap. This is the other side of my garage roof that is not visible from the house. The garage, it's going to be torn down here in a few months, but yeah, the roof is covered in blackberry bushes. And somewhere down here there's a hole in the roof. But there's more than just a hole in the roof. And the tarp over there is torn and worn. So, shit. I'm gonna have to go to town on this. Just got a couple of things to patch up. It only has to last a couple of more months and then it gets demolished. Alright. Party on, dude. Party on. Okay, well, I am chasing daylight here, but so I pushed the blackberries off the roof. I'll have to get a machete or something to cut those later, and I have to go around back into the neighbor's yard to be able to do it, pull it away. But for now, I'm gonna just get I think I've got a piece of tarp, or I might have a roll of some kind of roofing here that I can run down here, but it's this area here is where the old roof is just disintegrating, and you cannot walk on that roof because you would probably fall through. There is skip sheathing that is on 24-inch spacing. I can't guarantee the condition of the skip sheathing, and then there are old rotted cedar shingles under that, or on top of the skip sheathing, and then a crummy old asphalt roof on top of that. And so you can't see what you're stepping on, and you could easily step and fall through. So totally unsafe to walk on this roof right now. I think the garage is only insured for like $1,000 or something. So anyway, okay, let me go get a piece of something to fill this area so that it doesn't leak. Okay, there you go. I have a 8 by 12, 8 by 10 tarp, something like that. So I have 2x4 sleeper over the end, and underneath is some roofing large head nails, roof nails with a plastic inch disc on them. So that will hold this, and then there are two 6-inch timberlock bolts going in. And then I have another 2x4 down at the bottom nailed in. The rope goes over the leading edge there. So I think we are good to go for nighttime repair. And there is a planet, I don't know which one, Venus or Saturn. Probably Venus, I think that's the bright one. That up there, maybe that one is Saturn, but I will have to look. Any other planets up in the sky while I'm looking? Nope, I don't see any others. And that might be the first star way over there in the middle. Probably can't see it on the camera. Yeah, there we go. So, 2 planets, and that is the planetary plane there, going right like that. Okay. Yes, it is cold.